Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So, in continuing my green month here for the March month, I'm going to show you guys a new series, a new collection is going to be added to my bags, and it will have its own category in the playlist. So if you enjoy only these types of bags, it'll be on its own playlist. So thank you to everyone first off who has been watching. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Welcome. I so appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. It does help me a lot. You can't imagine how much that one free button that you guys press helps the YouTubers that you enjoy watching. So thank you. So as it says in my title, I am here to brighten your day. And if you know the company Brighton, which is what this new series is I'm going to show you guys my Brighton collection. Today I'm showing you one piece that's going to go with the green theme here I have going on. I thought it was a beautiful addition for our green month. I also have a lot of Brighton jewelry I can show you guys, because Brighton is of course also jewelry, and they do handbags, and they have beautiful collection, wide collection of items. So if you would like to see some jewelry of Brighton, comment on the bottom that yes, you would like to see some of my jewelry pieces. Now today I am wearing some of my vintage pieces. These are not Brighton, but I think it kind of goes with the theme. Of course, I love my velvets. I am going to do a little video outside for you guys if I can before it gets dark, so you guys can see how my outfit looks with the bag I'm going to show you. So we are going to be looking a deep dive into this beautifulness, one of Brighton tote bags. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the designer. This is an original piece from the Brighton company, and the artist that does these beautiful drawings and the colors. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going to show you the inside. The inside is also beautiful. Is Tom Clancy. Now Tom Clancy lives here in Laguna Beach, so he's a little bit closer to me. Maybe I can go see him. And then he is the main designer of Brighton. Of course there's other people who help along, but he is the main I believe the main designer of these bags and the colors that you see. So it is a Tom Clancy design. So he came up with this beautiful collection called the Fashionista. I wonder if this is where we get that word, Fashionista collection. And most of the pieces I'm going to show you throughout the months in my Brighton collection is part of that Fashionista and Tom Clancy Productions.
There's actually two designers working on that particular one. One of them is Tom Clancy. He's working with another designer named Ayasha Reddy.
Ayasha, yeah. She is also, thank you for letting us know. I was looking for the name here in my files. So she also is one of Brighton's designers. I mean, how talented, right? I love it. So let's jump right in, guys. So this, look at this beautiful list. Let me just be quiet while you take in the beauty. Look at this. So beautiful. Now of course it's not like a everyday handbag, of course, or unless you're a student, a mother, someone who cares a lot. Of course this can be a handbag for you, but this I see it as more of a shopping tote, something you would take to the beach, something like you're carrying a lot of stuff for work. It's that type of a tote bag. But if you like to carry a lot, of course you can use it as an everyday bag. Now let me read what it says here. So this is called a bright addition to the holiday outing. it's a holiday piece, but I think it's beautiful. You can use it all the time. This is a Winter's Love tote. I guess it's called a Winter's Love tote. I don't know what happened. Cut off there.
It's the revenge of the
Part
crash.
2, guys. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, we were talking about this beautiful. So this is a canvas tote, which I got. You know what? Let me show you my canvas totes, because I know Dooney and Burke just dropped their canvas collection. I'm trying very hard not to buy one. So that's why I took out a lot of my Brightons that I have many of these. So I thought, let me look at these and enjoy them. Maybe it'll stop me from ordering the new canvas tote that Dooney dropped. Look at this, how beautiful.
I'm looking at this here, just to be sure, Tom Clancy, the designer of the bags, is not to be confused with Tom Clancy, the author of the Jack Ryan
there's
book
also
series.
a Tom Clancy,
it's not the same guy.
author. No,
Yeah.
This is a different Tom Clancy, guys. He is an artist. You can look him up. I will actually insert a picture at the end of the Tom Clancy that does these.
It seems like he physically hand draws the designs onto the bag. It's
He
like
does,
with the ink
yes.
pen.
Look at this. How beautiful. Okay. So this one, I originally got this from eBay. New with tote. New with the tags. Canvas tote. And it is called a Winter's Love. You can see all the beautiful colors that I consider in the green family. It's a large tote. So inside I have it stuffed so it'll hold its shape for you guys. With my beautiful furry pillow, but I'm going to show you the inside. Now immediately in the inside here there is a pocket, and even on the pocket there is artwork. Look at that, guys, how beautiful. It has a zipper pocket. I'm seeing the beautiful mints. Look at that, lovely. Look at the border. As you can see, all the border is also nicely, beautifully painted, hand painted, I believe they are. Look at this, how cute. Again, this is a canvas bag. There is a lot of turquoises on this bag. There's a beautiful reds, gorgeous colors. Look at this. And the next thing I love about my Brightons is their packability. Look, this is how I store it. Look at this, guys. As you see, it still has the tag on there. I haven't used it. Here's the tag if you want to go pick one up. I did look on eBay. They do have a lot of these kinds of bags still available, guys. You can find one with a tag, brand new. So if you like it, go check it out on eBay. You can also go visit the, of course, Brighton online. I do believe these bags were not originally sold. They were gifts. If you bought a certain amount, they were gifted. So this one on here, it says $150. So I'm assuming if you spent $150, you would get one as a gift. Look at that. It's a piece of artwork I thought you guys would enjoy. I hope I brightened your day. And this is a new series here. I will be showing you guys at least one a month. I have a couple of pieces to go through.
I see some your daughter would like too from his Tokyo collection.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Look at this. I think it is a piece of art. I might put some on display when I change out my artwork here in the background. But there you have it, guys. My newest collection I'm going to show you guys for March. So this month we have a new collection, the Lounge Fly.
Yep.
Going. And now we added the
Brighton.
Okay. And along with every that you guys, I think the video you guys saw was the Vera Bradley that I did, the Snoopy. I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, go watch.
Our series is definitely more of an anthology than like a coherent video. We don't know which one goes up when.
Yeah. So
you can tune in whenever you want. We'll never really know.
I'm trying to schedule for you guys, but it is more of how I'm feeling. I was really sick. I'm still a little sick. I want to say I'm 60% there, but I'm trying to push on. I was hoping to get a lot more done for Green Month here, but you know, I got flu and what's the saying? We make plans and God laughs.
Yeah.
He laughed a lot this one for me. So here is the latest bag, the Dooney bag I unboxed with my beautiful collab lady. Look, suede. I think I'm going to move into this. Suede Dooney. Love it. Logo lock. Thank you to the ladies who were involved. So I want to say thank you to all my new subbies again. Welcome. Thank you to all my regulars who support me. Thank you for the love and a new chapter in our YouTube journey, guys. The Brighton. Did I brighten your day? Let me know. Mwah. I'll see you guys. Bye.